Hello everyone, we are going to see how to build a VM on Windows operating system using VirtualBox, Vagrant and Git Bash. First we need to download the tools, that is VirtualBox, Vagrant and Git for Windows. I already downloaded and I store it in the documents directory. First, let's install VirtualBox in our Windows operating system. Open the VirtualBox installer and proceed with next and finish prompts to set up VirtualBox. After successful installation, you can find the VirtualBox icon in the favorite bar. If you want, click the icon and see how VirtualBox Manager looks. In case, if you are using hypervisor such as Hyper-V, you need to disable it. Suppose you face failure on VM creation, disable Secure Boot on BIOS. In some laptop, there is an option called VT, Virtualization Technologies, so you need to enable it. Now let's install and configure Git Bash. I am opening the Git for Windows installer and proceed with next and finish prompts to set up Git. After successful installation, open the Git Bash. You can find it in the Windows Starter menu. And configure your username and email address. Finally, we install Vagrant. I am opening the Vagrant installer and proceed with next and finish prompts to set up Vagrant. It takes a few seconds to complete the installation. After successful installation, go to Git Bash and check Vagrant version. So far, we successfully installed VirtualBox, Vagrant and Git Bash. Now, we are going to build Ubuntu 18.04 virtual machine. Open the Git Bash and create a project directory. Switch to your project directory and then run Vagrant init command. This will create a Vagrant file. If you open the Vagrant file, you can see the default configurations. I'm going to customize the default configurations, so I delete the default content and copy the configuration from the blog post and paste it in the Vagrant file. Finally, I save it. Now run Vagrant up command. This will create an Ubuntu 18.04 virtual machine. Once the Vagrant up command execution completed, you open the VirtualBox Manager and check whether the VM created or not. If everything goes well, you can see that the VM is running. Now run Vagrant SSH command for login into newly created VM Ubuntu 18.04. Now I am successfully logged into my VM Ubuntu 18.04. If you want to stop the VM, use Vagrant halt command. I just run that command. Now I am opening the VirtualBox Manager. You can see VM is shutdown state. You can also use the Vagrant destroy command to delete the virtual machine. Now I am opening the VirtualBox Manager. You can see the VM is deleted. So far we have seen how to build a VM on Windows operating system using VirtualBox, Vagrant and Git Bash. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.